All right, here's another update video. As you can see, we got our underlayment down. We got our layout. We've already started doing our Eco Grip membrane. That's a couple of layers on that. This is just a quick update video because I'm in the middle. I'm rolling pretty good. All right, like I said, this is our, we decided to go with a fiber rock on top of this. It's real easy to cut. It's not like it's a super wet area, so I downgraded a little bit from the do-rock. But what I'm going to do, since it's going on top of the old floor and it's a sunroom, I'm adding some liquid nail adhesive under the bottom of it, just for any expansion and contraction, you know. Once again, didn't bring my tripod. When I get heavy off into dropping that tile, I'm gonna bring my tripod for sure. So just want to show you lifting it up. One handstand. Okay, this is our last update video. Can't talk too loud, clients here. This is how the floor ended up coming out. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. He said just reinstall his trim. He'll deal with it later. That came out nice, man. Came out really nice. A transition strip, you know. And then the fireplace floor. We added a little extra trim, give it some more body. And then the entryway. Transition strip, had to make that work. Came out real nice. New transition strip. That's very interesting, these flooring strips over here.